Riley from Go West. Today I'm going to show you how to make ICEBOX pickles. Here's what you'll need. Cucumber, dill, vinegar, sugar, and salt. You'll need a cutting board and knife to cut your cucumbers. Then you'll need a jar and a lid. Any jar will do. And finally, you'll need some water. We'll start by cutting the cucumbers. Now we're going to slide our cucumbers to the side and get our jar. Now we're going to fill our jar a quarter of the way with vinegar. Now we're going to add our salt and sugar. We'll put our lid on our jar and give it a good shake, shake, shake. Now it's time for cucumber! Halfway through, you can put in your dill. Add the rest of your cucumbers. Fill the jar with water. Put the lid on, and then put it in your fridge for a day or two. And that's how we make ICEBOX pickles.